Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our live trading session here at Trademy.com. Welcome, welcome. It's a very shaky morning this morning. We had a small earthquake, but we are here and ready to shake the markets and make some profits this morning, guys. To make some profits. Good morning, good morning. Who is with us this morning? Let me see. Hello, Mary. Anne is with us. Hello, welcome to our nice trading session. I hope you had a nice day yesterday. We made a lot of profits, and today afternoon is the big Apple day. Let's see how they will release and what they will release. So guys, before I talk for hours, I will put my first trade. I want to trade on gold. I want to buy gold. Yep, guys, I'm going to buy gold right now. I just bought a gold position, guys. I just opened a gold position. Let's see. Looks like a pullback. We'll get there. It's okay. It's okay. I see Mary is with me in gold, guys. Do not hesitate to use the chat function to communicate with us. This is for your convenience, just to get in touch with us and have some interactive way of talking. Mary just entered with me gold. And I think it's a very nice trade this morning. We will make some money. Also, a very interesting asset this morning is Italy 40. It opened on Italy 40. I have to say, it had already a nice downtrend. It reversed. And now it's again on a downtrend. So what we will do, we will sell Italy 40 as well. I just sold Italy as well. And let's see, these two are our gold bringing, money bringing assets, as you know. And we are most of the time making money on these two assets, gold, Italy 40, and there we go already. DAX. What's going to happen with DAX this morning? DAX is in a overall uptrend. When we look at the daily chart on the 15 minutes chart, it looks like a peak and reversal. I will sell also DAX. So we are now short on DAX, short on Italy 40, and long on gold. Let's go back to gold to see what's going on over here. Looks okay. This is what we did. So let's go also to the UK 100. No. Okay, I will keep these three trades for now and see how they develop and react accordingly. So also, oil is also interesting today, guys, because we have the oil inventories today afternoon. And as you know, since some days, since some weeks, we are very tense with the price of oil. It's ranging. Let's check the one-day chart. It's ranging between 64 and 71 dollars per barrel. Yesterday it had a really big move up. It moved almost $3 up. Almost $3 it moved up, which was a very strong move. You can see it. We are watching right now The daily chart of oil, you see it over here. This candle is $3. We didn't trade yesterday oil. We were trading Brent oil. We made some profits on Brent oil, but oil we were not trading. We were focusing on gold and on Italy 40. So for today, we have to check what will happen with the inventories of gold, of oil this afternoon, and according to the inventories, the price might drop. If the inventories are high, like you have a lot of oil, then the price will drop, and if the inventories are low, then the price will increase. So let's see how the result will be. As I know, the US sanctions on Iranian oil will push the oil in output quite low. So I believe that the price will rise in general by the end of the year. I'm expecting by the end of the year oil to go up until $80. This is what I'm expecting. But for today, we will see how it works. And let me see now. We still didn't make money. No money yet. No money, honey. Let me see on gold. Okay, guys. Doesn't look like a good start, but this is the good thing in the morning in the trading world. The market might change very, very fast and surprise us very fast. So, guys, we have 3 positions open. We have 3 positions open. Currently, we are long on Italy 40. We are short on Italy 40. We are long on gold, and we are short on DAX. These are our 3 trades for today, and I will adjust now their take profits. Let me see. So on DAX, let's start with our DAX position. Where is our DAX position? Here is DAX. We are short on DAX. And currently we are making, we just paid off the spread, and I will put my take profit on DAX. As I told you yesterday, also the 12,000 zero numbers are very crucial, and a number like 12,000 is even more crucial, and DAX is currently traded at 12,021. So I believe it will drop until 12,001. Let's put it 12,001. And we see with this move, we are expecting a profit of $1,000. We'll get there hopefully soon. So Italy 40. With Italy 40, what we do with Italy 40? Let me see here. With Italy 40, I'm expecting the market to move down. I will go to 20,853. And with this move, we are expecting a profit of $1,900. To warm up today, we need a bit of money. This morning, gold. Our gold looks like a reversal now. I will see with gold. I will let it to run a bit. I have contradictory news on gold. Here on the 5-minute chart, I see a downtrend, while on the 15-minute chart, I still see. Guys, I will hedge my gold position. I will sell it now. Also, as you see, my hedge difference is so low that, yep, I will hedge it and see how it goes. On my hedge position, on my sell position, on gold, I will put a take profit at 1,100. Let me see, at 1,194.65. This is my take profit, and I'm aiming a profit of $5,000 here. And then I believe that the market will turn. Let's see, guys. Currently, we still pay the spread, and we will react on that. So, Italy 40, ooh, Italy 40 doesn't look good. Okay, leave it a bit run, because I see here this is a high level. Might go a bit higher and then it will turn. Let's see. I don't like the start in the day, but let's observe the market and then we see. We are making already on our gold position some money, $500, $600. Yeah, we will get there. On this, we will get there. But Italy 40, I don't like currently the setup. Okay, we are close to the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, guys, also here, I will hedge. I will go for a buy position also here and see. So I see that Kyriakos has also an update. I will observe my hedge position and let you know, guys, how we will react. Let's pass now to Kyriakos to inform you about his trade, and then we will be back here.
Thank you very much, Elif. Good morning also from me, traders, and welcome to our morning session. This is Kyriakos Harilaou from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy. Yes, indeed, we are a bit shaken up this morning with an earthquake of 5.3. It was a bit strong, but we are fine. Everybody is okay. So we continue normally our trading session. Good morning, Mary, and it's nice to have you always here. So how was your day, Mary? Did you enjoy this morning? I hope you did. Basically, we have the usual 8 positions. We are trading 8 major pairs. So I'm trading today with a standard position size of 2.5 lots. I would like also to welcome to our trading session Miss Anne-Marie Lane. So Anne-Marie and Mary, if you have any questions, I will be more than glad to answer them in the chat room. So let's go straight into action, guys. The first position I have opened, so current FX positions. The first one is I have entered long positions on Aussie dollar with a TP at 71.61.4. Now we see that Aussie dollar has broken its trend line. Let me change the color of the trend line so that it is visible to everybody. We see that Aussie dollar has managed to break its trend line to the upside on the 15-minute chart, and also we see a very bullish direction from the moving averages. So yes, I'm expecting further upward movement, and I don't believe the MA of 200 periods will hold, so I'm targeting higher, and our target is at 71.614. Second position, I have entered short positions. I have entered the short position on Euro Yen with a take profit at 128.834. Welcome and good morning, Salma. Nice to have you here. Hello from Cyprus. I hope you enjoyed today's trading session. If you have any questions, Salma, you can type in the chat room and we will be more than glad to answer any questions you might have. Currently, I'm explaining the FX positions. Again, welcome to our live trading session. So guys, the second position I have entered is short Euro Yen with a take profit at 128.834. Now, Euro Yen since late afternoon yesterday shows indecision. I have struggled a lot to figure out the direction of Euro Yen. Now, why I have entered short positions? Because of this sell-off here. I mean, early in the Asia session today, as soon as the Asia session started, I see a huge wave of selling pressure. So despite the bullish crosses of the MAs, I decided to enter short positions. My decision will change if the price reaches this level. That's why I have my hedged long position there. So Euro dollar, third position for the morning. I'm short Euro USD with take profit at 1.15501. Let's examine also Euro dollar. Now, again, I saw a sell-off on Euro dollar, but since I have opened it, we see a strong recovery. However, if we observe closer to the 4-hour chart, we see that there is a strong indecision of Euro dollar at around 116. So, Salma, your question is, I would like to understand how I can trade. You mean you would like to understand how to open a long or a short position, or you would like to understand how we are trading? Can you please clarify your question? Do you know, Salma, how to operate MT4 platform? How to buy, how to sell, how to place take profits? No. Okay. Salma, you need to contact your account manager from Trademy. Do you know the name of your account manager at trademy.com? Okay, the best thing to do, Salma, is to contact him or her, and I guarantee you that he will be more than glad to assist you on that and explain to you exactly how MT4 operates. Also, today we have some educational webinars, and we will make the favor for you to play a very good educational webinar on how to trade on MT4 platform. Nevertheless, you can watch this webinar. It's after our morning session. You can watch this webinar, educational webinar, how to operate MT4 platform. But anyway, you need definitely to contact your account manager in order to talk to you on a one-to-one basis and explain to you how to operate and get familiar with MT4 platform. Is that clear, Salma? All right. So, short positions on euro dollar with a take profit at 115.54.1. The fourth trade I have placed is long positions on pound dollar with a take profit at 1.3746. Let's check also pound dollar, guys, and see how it's performing. Very bullish momentum this morning, despite the fact that it's trading below the MA of 200 periods on the 4-hour chart. If we go to the 15-minute chart, we will see that it has a very, very, very strong bullish momentum. Look at this candle, guys. So I believe we are going higher on pound dollar, and our take profit is at 1.3746. The Kiwi or New Zealand USD. I have entered long positions with a take profit at 0.6562. Let us also see the Kiwi. Same pattern as pound dollar. Nice bullish cross of the MAs, broke off the trend line. We are going up as well. Dollar cut. The next trade I have shorted dollar cut with TP 1.30098. Let's check also our dollar cut position. It has already broken the daily lows. It didn't have the strength to go up today. I think it's the most bearish instrument of all. Bearish cross of the MAs, broke today's lows and is falling, guys. So there is no other option other than to go short on dollar cut. Very strong bearish momentum on dollar cut. Very strong. I really like it. Next position. I have entered long positions on US dollar CHF with a TP take profit at 0.97860. Let me see also dollar CHF. It started the day very bullish, now is ranging. Usually this movement, if we have a range, usually the market continues with the previous movement. So I have speculated that it will continue to go up. That's why, because of this bullish Asia session, so that's why I have entered long positions. And also the MAs confirm bullish consensus. They are in a bullish line. And the last trade is I have entered long positions on dollar yen with a take profit 111.95. Let me also check dollar yen. Dollar yen, where are you here? There you are. So bullish setup on the MAs. A nice support on the lower Bollinger Band is a very good level to enter long positions. Bullish setup on the MAs. The price is trading above the MA of 200 periods. If we break this high, I believe we can go much higher and test again the 112 resistance psychological round number level. So these are the current positions. Let's go now straight to forexlife.com. This is our partner website for news announcements and analysis, guys, with unique daily clicks of more than 200,000. So it's a very popular and very good website to monitor the news. And what do we have today? The important news that will cause some Forex volatility are coming at 12:30 p.m. UTC time. We have US dollar PPI month of month. Expected figure 0.2, better than the actual previous month figure 0.0. And later we have crude oil inventories at 2:30, a bit after our trading session ends. Expectations are talking about a cut in supply of crude oil inventories of a minus 1.3 million versus a cut in supply of minus 4.3 million the previous month. So these are the news announcements for the day that personally I take into consideration when I'm trading Forex. Nothing important, but tomorrow, as I said many times this week, it's Thursday and we will definitely enjoy it and make money here at Forex. Tomorrow it will be crazy, guys. We have a lot of important news announcements starting from 11 o'clock a.m. Super Thursday for the GBP, rates, monetary policy. Then at 11:45, interest rates for the European Union. Then later at 12:30, we have ECB press conference, CPI for the United States, core CPI for the United States. Is going to be a house, it's going to be a mess. We will have volatility, and I will definitely enjoy it tomorrow, trading with you guys here live at Trademy.com. So these are the major movements I have identified, and I have placed my trades. Let's see, guys. So far, my best performer is my long position on the Kiwi, and currently making me, no, actually pound dollar is now the best performer. It changes all the time, it doesn't matter. So more or less the trades are where we have opened them. No significant movements, neither against us, not with us for the moment. Pound dollar seems to make a nice rally for the moment on the 15-minute chart. I believe that this candle gave the momentum for the day. So we will see how the trades go, and I will update you if I have any change or alternation of positions on a reversal of positions. You will be the first ones to know, as I always do. Good morning, Daniel, and welcome to our trading session. Let me see who else has just joined us. No, only Daniel has just joined us. So good morning, Daniel. Welcome. These are the current FX positions we have opened this morning. Good morning to you as well. Let me repeat them. I'm long Aussie dollar, take profit 71614. I'm short Euro Yen, take profit 128.834. I'm short Euro Dollar, take profit 115.541. I'm long Pound Dollar, take profit 1.3746. Long the Kiwi, New Zealand USD, take profit 65620. Short dollar CAD, take profit 130.098. Long dollar CHF, take profit 0.97860. And long dollar yen, take profit 111.95. And we see the nice upside rally for pound dollar, guys, fastly approaching our take profit, and it's going to be the first $1,125 for the day. We see a clear upside break on pound dollar, currently my best performer for the day. Let's see how the day will move on, and I will update you if I have any changes or any trend reversal signals or any hedging positions. How many of you have followed me on these trades? Have you? What about Salma, Daniel, Anne-Marie? Have you followed me on any of these trades? I would love to know that, and I would love to know if you have made money also on these trades or not. So these are the current FX positions. I repeat that I'm looking forward for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a great day. Too many news for the pound, for the euro interest rates. Then we have the United States. Okay, Anne-Marie, you have followed me on these trades. I hope we do well, and we will do well, and we will eventually make some money as well today. So this is the current Forex update from here. If you have any questions regarding anything I have said or anything that I have on my screen or any other questions you have, feel free to participate in the chat room, answer me any questions, and I will be more than glad to answer any questions you have. That's why we are here, both myself and Elif, not just to push the buttons, but to have a nice discussion. Also, if you have an opinion which is contrary to us, maybe you didn't go long pound dollar, you went short. I would love to know the logic behind it and the stop loss and the take profit levels in order to analyze them together and give you a much better, clearer picture of the position you have taken. That would be really great to have a discussion here. So that's all I have for the moment. It's currently 11:30. Elif, do you have any updates?
We have to talk.
Okay.
So, where we go? Here we go.
Το μικρόφωνο σου, Elif.
Yes, guys. Good morning. Hello, Daniel. Welcome. Guys. Our trades are not going very well currently. They are not going very well, but this is okay. We can we can manage. I opened a buy position on gold, as you know, and then I hedged the gold position. It's giving me very indefinite signals. I will close really one of the positions with the smallest profit, as long as, yeah, Mary, you didn't hedge. Currently it looks okay, the long position, but the short position doesn't look good. However, we will manage. The same picture on Italy 40. It's, although our hedging gap is so small, look at this hedging gap, it's so small, I get permanently different signals. I get permanently different signals, so I'm looking at it. Some days the market is like that. We have to see, okay, I see gold is making now profits. Our long gold position is making profit. Okay, it's making $800 right now. It's making $1,000. Let me see. I might close this position just to clean up, you know, because I believe it will reverse. It's on a very, now that it's making money, I'm just closing my position, guys. I just closed my position and we made our first 400 euros on gold. And the reason why I closed it, it's for me not clear. It's a very, I want to clear up and see the pattern, and then I want to trade again. It was a bit too early that I put this position, I think. And I will react accordingly once I see a clear pattern. Here I really need to be a bit more aware. Also, Italy 40, I have the same picture. It's like the hedging gap is just this. You see, this difference. And still, I got stuck in this hedging gap. But we will get there. It's you will, as a trader, you will have these days, even after so many years of trading, you will have these days, and when you have these days, it's good that you see it live over here to see how you control your emotions and how to trade on this kind of reactions. It's not, you just need to give this thing a bit of time. We will get there. Okay, now it's gold. Let me see. Now we are on the 15 minutes chart. We are also short on DAX, but DAX, I believe this was just a strong strong move up, and now it should go slowly down. Let me see. Okay, DAX started to react a bit here. I'm expecting a profit of $1,800. Here we didn't scalp. Also, our take profit is quite narrow and we can manage it. Currently, gold started to drop as well. You see, we are short and it's dropping now, slowly. And we will get some profits over here. Let's see. However, let these trades run. We will manage We will manage it even with a small profit, not with a big profit as we hope. With small profits, we will close the trades and clear up our account and continue our spot from there. But never forget to keep an eye on Italy 40 currently. You see it started to drop a bit. Also from here I get the signal of a drop. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. So let's go back to our US indices. And I told you guys, today, late in the afternoon, we are having the iPhone release. As you know, we're having the iPhone release. And during the iPhone release, I was telling you for the last few days, I'm expecting a price movement on the US indices. And why I'm expecting this price movement on the US indices is basically because of, let me put it here, it's Italy 40 is here. We are short and long on Italy 40. This is gold. Gold is almost there. Okay, so it's good to have them here, and then here I will put also the DAX, so I have all screens in front of me. Yep, that's good. So the indices, they will react on the announcement because, as you know, the Apple share is reflected, the price of the Apple share is reflected in the shares as well. And when it is that time, we will see also reactions on the indices. You remember a few weeks ago, I explained to you all the US indices, which shares are included in each indice, and each indice has all Apple shares are in each indice. So all three indices, USA 500, USA 100, USA 30, will show a movement. Maybe not a big one, because it depends, each indice has a different weighting of Apple. So the movement might be not as much as like the movement on Dow Jones might be higher than the movement on USA 100, but still there will be a movement. So what you can do, open on Bloomberg the price action of Apple share. Check how the price is moving of the share, and accordingly you can see how the indice will move. It's very interesting, very nice to do. So have an eye on it and definitely take advantage. So what's going on with our gold trade? Still not dropping. Okay. Not a good start this morning. But as I said, some days we have this kind of reactions on the market, guys. Sometimes even after so many years of trading, you say, I did the wrong decisions and I opened the positions too early. The pattern I identified is not correct. Can happen, everything. That's why it's important to be sometimes a bit more patient before putting trades. So DAX, it's okay for me. I don't see a problem with that. Okay, there we go. On gold, guys, really with gold, the smallest profit, I will close it currently. I will put it here. with gold, with my gold position, I just want a small profit on it and I would be okay. Because it showed me a very nice uptrend over here. You see, let's have a... Okay, there we go. There we go. We are making 1,000. Come on. $700, $800. Now we are getting there, guys. Now we are getting there. What's the time? Okay, $300. Oh, no. Okay, $1,000. I'm okay to close the position also with $1,000 profit just to get something into the pocket. There we go. And I just closed my position, guys. And whew, on 2 gold trades, we made $1,750 today. And why I was a bit tense about this trade, guys, I didn't get the highs. I didn't buy the dips, I bought the tops, and I didn't sell the tops. I sold the yeah, Mary, it's like you need to be a bit more, you know, cold-blooded when you are trading. When you are in this situation, you need to be cold-blooded. It was like I saw over here, I will explain to you guys what happened. I saw over here a very strong uptrend, and I got the confirmation from the 5 minutes time frame that it will still go up. But I didn't confirm with the next level time frame, which my strategy is based on, basically. And that one was giving return reversal signal. So I entered a buy position on the top. So when I noticed that, I hedged immediately, and this was over here, and then it turned up. And so now, for now, I will not trade gold because there is not a clear trend. I don't see a clear trend on gold. That's why I will not trade for gold for now, because no trend. Let me see what we will do with Italy 40, because Italy 40 is also here. You see the same mistake again. I bought the top, I sold over here, and let's see. Let's see, I will get there also with this one. We will manage that one as well. So we are left now with 2 Italy 40 positions and 1 DAX position. Okay. Okay, DAX is behaving well. We had this higher up, it's okay, and now it started to walk down the street. Here we get also the confirmation that it will walk down the street. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay with this. Let me see. Let me, okay, yes. I have to wait for this trade on Italy 40 and we will see. Let's have a look for an alternative UK 100, because there is always possibilities in the markets. We just need to go and find them. Okay, so UK 100, we are looking at the 15 minutes chart. It's not a nice chart. What's going on today? It's not a nice chart, and I will explain you why it's not a nice chart. Guys, there is no clear pattern. If you don't see a clear trend, which is up or down, and you see this kind of movement where the candles are within the Bollinger Band balloon, let's say, I want that it's either in this part, like upper band, lower band, and then I have a clear signal over here. Let me, okay, France 40, let's see France 40. Here the things are looking a bit better. You see here we have a clear trend. But we have contradictory information on our indicators. Today, it's not a nice day. Until now, it's not a nice day. We have to find for any alternative to trade now. Okay, guys, now it's a clear pattern. I get confirmation on gold. We started to have this clear picture. I will explain you. We have here a downtrend, signaling a downtrend. Here we have a signal of downtrend. Yep, I will go now short on gold. I just opened a short position again on gold. After getting the confirmation, guys, I confirmed it on 3 indicators, and I will put my take profit. I entered at 1193.60. This is my take profit, and I will make around $1,900 on it. Let me see, $1,800, not bad. So let me check now Italy 40, how Italy 40 is behaving. Okay, Italy 40. Now, you see our buy trend, our buy position. Yes, Daniel, it is tough today, but we will manage it. We don't expect big profits today, but we will make it. We will manage it. You see on Italy 40, for example, now the downtrend is quite clear. We put our take profit, but I see that the downtrend is coming close to a reversal. Here at this level, it's the reversal, and if it doesn't reverse in this level, it will reverse in this level. So also here with the smallest profit, really, literally, with the smallest possible profit, we have to close this position and wait for the reversal. This is what we will do to cover our losses and our possibilities. The gold position I just opened is still paying the sell off. Yeah, but it's important. Anybody with, I think Mary entered with me the Italy 40 position. Anybody else? Anybody else with? No. Okay, guys, it's like with Italy 40, I have to be aware what's going on, and with the smallest position, I have to, with the smallest profit, I have to close the Italy 40 position to wait for a reversal. This is what I need to do, and then we see. Will be good. Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Of course I have.
I see. Feel free.
All right. So these are the current positions we have, guys. Currently, we are doing well. We are up $875 from all our positions. Let's go around the table and see how they are performing. Let's start from euro dollar. We see a sudden sell-off on euro dollar the previous 15 minutes, and we have initiated short positions right up, a bit higher than the upper Bollinger Band here. So the position is developing well for the moment. We are aiming for the price to drop approximately at 115.50-ish. Okay, so we still have a further drop on euro dollar, especially if we see a downside penetration by the price on a closing basis of today's low. Moving on to the second trade, short positions, dollar CAD, no significant movements, a small rebound, but dollar CAD is very bearish for the moment. Bearish setup of the MAs. I'm expecting the price to quickly drop and eventually reach our take profit. Hedging positions will be triggered if the price approaches today's high, which is approximately at this level here. There I will enter hedging positions for a more upside correction, and here is our take profit for any long hedging positions. Third position for the day, on dollar yen, we have entered long positions. Currently, the price is in a downtrend, is a counter trend trade. I'm speculating that the bullish setup on the MAs will prevail on dollar yen. Eventually, we will see an upside breakout, the penetration of today's highs, and we will move and reapproach the 112 area. Fourth position, we have long positions on dollar CHF. I believe that the bullish setup again will prevail. This candle gave the momentum of the day. If I see a close above this high of this bullish candle, I believe that we have very good chances to go higher and take our take profit on this position. If I see a break below that level, then most probably the price will retrace back to the MA of 200 periods. Kiwi, as you can see on the Kiwi, we have long positions, a nice recovery from the day's lows. Now we are approaching again today's highs, and I believe we will break them to the upside, and that's why I have my take profit higher than the MA of 200 periods. Now, why? Because the consolidation is very close to the MA of 200 periods. If the consolidation was here, let's say, and the MA of 200 periods was there, I would have adjusted my take profit and put it lower. But the consolidation we see is very close. If it is very close, usually MA 200 periods is not acting as a resistance level on the 15-minute chart. The next one, pound dollar. Pound dollar, we have entered long positions and small decline from the morning, from the highs. However, the price is accumulating now during this support zone. Probably recovery towards the MAs, and then most probably will continue to go up. Euro yen, we have short positions on euro yen. Same attitude as euro dollar. The last 15 minutes we see a big red candle both on euro dollar and euro yen. It's a bit strange today, the euro yen. I'm going with the trend, guys, and the trend is a sell-off since the Asia session for euro yen. That is in contrary with the moving averages, of course. That's why I have my buy stop hedging position up here. If we reapproach today's highs, then most probably we are going further up. Aussie dollar, the last trade for the day, we have long positions. As I said in the morning, I observed a nice upside breakout of the tentative downtrend line on the 15-minute chart, and indeed the bullish momentum is confirmed by the direction of the moving averages as well. So because this break occurred and it is very close to the MA of 200 periods, I speculate that the price will get over this MA 200 periods easily and eventually hit our take profit. So this is a brief summary for the Forex positions that I have opened. I hope we do well, guys. Currently today I'm starting with 2.5 lots for each position. That's approximately $1,100 profit for each position I open. Let's hope that we will do great today as well. And of course, if I have any alternations or any positions reversals, you will be the first ones to know, as I always do through the chat room. So guys, have you followed me on any of these trades? If yes, just type it in the chat room so that I have a concern and reply to you privately if I have any changes that are of any interest to you. I would like to know who has followed me on these trades, or if you have followed me on 2 trades, I would love to know on which one, so that you will be the first ones to get updated privately in the chat room. So that's all I have for the moment. Regarding news announcements, the most important news announcements will come at 12:30 p.m. UTC time. That's approximately in 3.5 hours from now. So we will see the volatility and enjoy the volatility of the markets in our afternoon session a bit earlier than our afternoon session starts. Till then, I'm quite confident we will make some money. This is the day, a strange day today, as Elif mentioned. It's not tough, it's strange in the sense that we don't have clear directions of the market. Here is the open, lows, open again. So I'm expecting the markets to get a direction really soon. The same for euro dollar. A lot of volatility here, as you can see, which is something that I like. Dollar CAD, it's how many hours now? 11 hours since midnight, and dollar CAD is still trading where it has opened for the day. So we don't have the expected and the desired movement that will make us money for the moment. However, conditions can change in a matter of seconds. So stay with us, guys, and we will update you if we have any more updates. Elif, you have an update? Okay, let's go straight to Elif.
Hey guys, so I will close now my Italy 40 position, guys. It's now making a small amount of profit, and I will close it now. It's making almost $400 profit. Come on, baby. There we go. Just closed it, guys. I just closed it. I made $700 on this position of Italy 40, $765 I made. We increased our profits to $2,500. We are left with another small trade on Italy 40. As you remember, we were hedged and it's giving us a tough time. Now we are left with the gold position, with the Italy 40 position and the DAX position. So we are not hedged anymore on any of those positions. Guys, I think, yeah, we are not hedged anymore on any of these positions, which is good, because it's a very, very difficult market today. However, we will do the best out of it. We will do the best out of it. Now I'm checking. Now I'm checking if I see any kind of bottoms, and if I see any kind of tops. And if I see, for example, on Italy 40, if I see that the market starts to reverse again, like here I get the signal that it would start reversing. Yeah, it looks like, and when I get the signal of a reverse, I will enter again a buy position on the dips. As you know, reversal patterns, what they do is buy the dips, sell the tops. Buy the dips, sell the tops. Today, we didn't manage it until now very well, this strategy until now, but I see if Italy 40 starts to give me this signal, I will enter the market again with a buy position, and then we see how it will react, guys. So, any questions? Is it clear what I was doing? It was a bit confusing what I did today until now, but however, we managed until now to make some money. We have still 3 trades open. Need a bit more time than I expected. But it will get there, guys. It will get there. We'll do so. So tell me any questions about what I did until now and how it was and why it was. No, that's good. It means that I was quite clear. It didn't sound for me quite clear, but it was. It seems that you are quite good students and it was clear for you guys. So, as I said, I will observe now very close the Italy 40 price. Italy 40 price, I'm expecting at around 20,820-ish to get again into the market and open again a position, a buy position to get the move up here, for the move up here. But we see DAX started to give us a pattern of reversals. We are short on DAX. Let's see how it will develop. Italy 40 is still dropping. As I said, I'm expecting at around 20,820-ish to get a strong reversal signal, and we'll be okay. Now, some of you guys, this is what I say, Mary, that I will, with Italy 40, I will go long again at around 20,820-ish. I want to see a reverse, and then I want to go long. Currently, I didn't get the confirmation for a reverse. That's why I'm not entering yet. But this is what I want to do. Some of you guys might say, why you closed your sell position? Since it's still dropping and since you expect the markets to drop until 20,820, guys, sometimes you have to sacrifice some points. You have to sacrifice some points to be clear. Otherwise, I would be stressed that I have 2 positions, and sometimes you have to be clear and give something to the market. We made a profit on that trade still with how much we made on the sell position, $765 on a position where we couldn't really know. So if I see, for example, now it started to go a bit up, a very small up move. If I see now that the market reversed and I still had the other position, it would be really disappointing for me. So that's why I kept it like that. I closed it. I gave some points to the market, feed the market so it will feed you. And this is what I believe. And now I'm waiting for the reversal, and I'm expecting the reversal at around 2,820-ish. That's all basically, guys. So, if you don't have any questions, I would finish now the morning session, guys, but stay online. You can always use the chat function to communicate with us. We will be Okay, I will be showing some educational videos. I see some movement on DAX. Also on Italy 40, we see some movement. Also on gold, I see some movements. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. DAX is making money. Now it started. Now the game started. On Italy 40, I'm still not worried, guys. I will still not go long. I want a strong signal and then I will go long. How much is our take profit? I think $1,000 on. Yeah, come on, come on. A bit more and I will close my DAX position. I'm making right now $600. I'm making right now $600. $700. Come on, I want to hit my take profit on DAX, at least to hit one take profit today. Come on. Okay. I think Mary was with me on this trade. I will still leave this trade to run because I see this trend will still continue. I don't see a reversal yet. Here we go, $800. $800. $900, and we are almost there, guys. Almost there. We have a take profit of $1,019. I want this $1,000 from this trade. Okay. Leave it over there. It will hit the take profit. I'm sure about it. I want my $1,000 out of it. Sorry for that. But however, guys, we managed today to make, with this very unsecure environment, in this unsecure environment, we managed a profit of $2,500 so far. It's a strange market today. Yeah, it's a strange market. At least now in the morning, I have to check out if on Forex Live if there is any reason for this kind of movement. I'm expecting now a profit of $1,000 on DAX. I'm expecting $1,000 on DAX now, and with $1,000 extra, we would close our morning session with $3,500. Let me see. I hope soon we will get there, guys. There we go. Come on. Another one push, and we are there. Now it's there. We are almost there, guys. There we go. We hit another take profit. It was a difficult one. It was a difficult one. $3,000 profit for today. $3,500 in the early morning hours was tough. Was tough. I think it's been some time that I had a tough day, tough morning like this. Let's see how it will work for the rest of the day. And we will be here with you guys and looking for you to see you here as well. As I said, we are checking very closely Italy 40 to see, once we see a reversal, we will enter a new trade on Italy 40 for this movement up. So guys, I will inform you on chat what I'm doing, and hope I will see you in later on as well. See you guys. Bye bye. Guys, I just went long on Italy 40. I get signals. I got the confirmation that we will start going slowly up. Yeah, we are long 20 lots on Italy 40. Let's see how the trade will develop. Hey guys, we have a strange change on the markets. The European Parliament just announced their decision regarding Hungary, and this caused a crazy movement on the market. Italy 40, while it was very close to hit our take profit, it turned and hit our stop loss. We lost on Italy 40 $1,800, but we reacted very fast, and I sold again Italy 40. Let me show you guys. I sold again Italy 40. There we go. Let's make it a bit bigger. So, and there we go. We hit here a loss of $1,900. It hit our stop loss. And since Italy 40 dropped below 20,800, I shorted it again. And I wrote also on chat. And we managed to make on these short positions approximately $9,700. Now we are still $11,000 higher than our level. Our profits are right now 11,000. After the Italy 40 position got closed, I opened again one position over here. I think this will be a very strong drop, guys. If your stop losses are not triggered yet, maybe it's time to close your buy positions on Italy 40, because this is a very strong fundamental drop. It's a very strong fundamental drop, which changed the balances on the markets, guys. The balances on the markets just changed. Let me see on Forex Live if I can find anything explaining the decision of the Parliament, of the EU Parliament. No. Let me see. I'm checking also other sources, more political sources. Let's see together. Really, it's that's why it's always good to have an eye on your trading. Okay, EU Parliament triggered Article 7 against Hungary. EU Parliament triggers Article 7 against Hungary. What is this Article 7? Let's see. They open doors to sanctions against Hungary. They are planning sanctions against Hungary. It's a crazy drop, guys. It's a crazy drop, and we can see this also on euro pairs. Here we go. Crazy drop. It cost us a loss of $1,900, but it made us to profit. Francis, I hope you managed to close your positions on time. So guys, EU Parliament is getting ready to impose sanctions against Hungary. Let's see. Thank you, guys. I will stay here. Guys, I might not put any educational videos for now because the market is moving crazily. I want to be on top of it. Let me see, and I will let you know.
Unmuted.
Okay, guys, welcome back. PPI news announcements are out in a minute for the United States dollar. So it's producer price index for the United States dollar. So expect some volatility on the dollar traded pairs. Current situation, nothing moves, guys. The whole morning, it's amazing. Today, the whole morning I have been from minus $700 to plus $600. And you see, for example, dollar CAD was going on. This is the opening price of dollar CAD, and now it's trading just 5-6 pips above the opening price. Really boring today, the markets. Such days are happening. For those of you who have been trading for at least 2 years, you will definitely know what I'm talking about. However, I have gone live just in case we see some volatility on the dollar pairs. We are expecting PPI month on month. Expectations are talking about 0.2% increase versus 0 of the actual month. Let's see, in approximately 1 minute, the announcement will be out. Let's go around the pairs and see how we are doing. We have long positions on Aussie dollar. We bought it here, and as you can see, it's still there. Nothing moved. Euro yen, we have shorted euro yen here, and the price lost 10 pips, 15 pips. That's not the volatility I'm looking for, guys. Euro dollar, we have shorted euro dollar at 116, and now it's 85, 15 pips, right? Now, we have entered net short positions on pound dollar, the only pair who has made some movement. That's why we have reversed our positions to net short. For the moment, it's doing okay. The Kiwi, we have entered long positions on the Kiwi. Okay, the news are out, guys. Let's put dollar CAD and see if we will have some volatility. There we go. We have some volatility. Okay, there we go, guys. All right, let's see. New orders will be triggered. I will update you if they are triggered. There we go. PPI has caused some volatility, guys. Let me check the figure. It came out worse than the expected. It came out at minus 0.1 versus plus 0.2 expected. Let's check the reaction of euro dollar. Of course, it started to go up. Let's see where this rally will end. Dollar CAD, some volatility, but nothing important. Dollar yen is nicely developing in our side. So let's see. All right, dollar CHF. We are long with a sell stop order. They started to move a bit now, guys. Let's see how the day will develop. Pound dollar. It has moved a bit. Euro yen is started now to move again. We have short positions, moving average. The only pair that is moving decently is Aussie dollar. It's approaching the MA of 200 periods now. As I said in the morning, I expect this MA to be cleared out and move higher. Also, a squeeze and breakout signal is observed on the Bollinger Bands. If it is confirmed, it's going to be a big upset move on Aussie dollar. All right, let's wait and see, guys. Our afternoon session will start in approximately 30 minutes from now. If I have any updates or any hedge positions, I will let you know. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, traders. How are you today? Good afternoon, Allen. Good afternoon, Castrisher. Good afternoon, Daniel, Fanos, Francis, Jeff. Good afternoon, Mary. Good afternoon, Patrick. And welcome to our afternoon trading session. Hello, Mary. Always loyal to our trading room, and thank you for that. So, guys, these are the current Forex positions I have initiated since the morning. We have some good news and some bad news. Good news, I haven't managed to close a single position. Why? Due to lack of volatility in the Forex markets today. The good news is that we haven't suffered any losses for the moment. Okay, so I haven't closed a single position since the morning. It's really amazing, but it's one of these days that you just sit back and wait for something to happen in order to move the markets, something which happened for the indices, however, because as we have explained earlier in the day, the EU has imposed sanctions on Hungary. Who? They decided to discuss about the possibility of imposing whatever. So this caused some volatility on the indices, not in the Forex market. A classic example you can see, for example, now is euro dollar. But let's take the trades one by one. We have shorted Aussie dollar since the morning. The price declined. Okay, we have entered long positions on Aussie dollar. Sorry for that. The price declined, but then eventually went up again and is now trading more or less in the opening price of the day. So lack of volatility is present on Aussie dollar. Euro yen. Let's see euro yen, guys. On euro yen, I have short positions. For the moment, it has just decided to start to move the last 15 minutes. During the day, you see this volatility within a very narrow trading range of less than 30 pips. Now it has decided to fall, and we like that because we are short on that. The next position is we have shorted also euro dollar. We shorted euro dollar close to the daily highs, but as you can see, that's not even a pattern. I don't know how to call it. So we don't have good trend days like these ones or like these ones. Today, euro dollar is a mess. Pound dollar. We have reversed our long positions to net short. You see, the second position was short, which has been initiated and you have been informed about that. But again, pound dollar is more or less as euro dollar. So the prices are stacked in a trading range, indicating indecision for the moment. Kiwi, New Zealand USD, guys. We have entered long positions. Bam, down, up, down, up, down. Now let's hope that it will decide to go up and eventually hit our take profit. But today, as you can see, the pairs show indecision. And maybe because tomorrow is going to be a crazy day for Forex markets. I'm telling you, from tomorrow, we will definitely have a lot of volatility in the markets and we'll definitely make some money at least in the Forex. Let's move on to the next trade. We have reversed to net long positions on dollar CAD. That's another classic example of indecision. Look at that, guys. Since the morning, trading range, up, down, up, down, up, down. Indecision again. Dollar CHF, we have entered long positions on dollar CHF. The price went up, then went down, then went up, now again down, now it's trying to go again up. So again, you can see that you cannot identify actually a clear trend on dollar CHF. However, I gave it a try. And the last position I have open is dollar yen. It seems that the yens, euro yen and dollar yen, eventually have decided to move in our direction. So you can see a clear trend on dollar yen, and the same pattern starts to develop also on euro yen. So I think our short position on euro yen and our net short positions on dollar yen will eventually develop well and make us at least our first profits for today. It's been a long time to remember myself not closing a single position on Forex. We have many positions here. It has been quite a long time, but I'm telling you, it happened to me a lot of times again when we have very slow movement in the markets. So regarding the daily charts now, the daily charts are a bit interesting. Now, euro dollar, as you can see, for the past week, it has been in a trading range from 115 to 116.50. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days now. It shows indecision. I think the break will occur tomorrow. So tomorrow, I have mentioned it again. I will mention it one more time. It's a very crucial, important day for the Forex markets tomorrow. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD for the past few days indicates downward movement, but now the reason why we see this trading range on dollar CAD is because, look at that, guys. What do we have here? We have the moving averages. So the price shows indecision. Shall moving average act as a support? There is a real fight between the buyers and the sellers between this range I'm showing you now. Dollar yen, it's above the moving averages. So when the prices are above the moving averages and a trend starts, it shows good signals. For example, today is going down. It's going down until it approaches this area where we will see indecision. So also in dollar yen, if you observe it closely, the last few days is trading in a trading range. Dollar CHF. Dollar CHF for me is in a clear downtrend, but now here has decided to enter a trading range. Okay, so again, it seems that the Forex markets are entering trading range conditions. The Kiwi is away from the moving averages, so that's why I believe I have better chances to take profits on the Kiwi and the dollar yen, pound dollar, daily chart. Pound dollar also is very good, so we will see what happens with our positions. Euro yen is within the moving averages, however, we will see how it will react. And Aussie dollar is definitely in a downtrend, but an upside correction is highly probable, and that's why we have entered long positions. So tomorrow we have great news announcements, and let me revise them briefly. Tomorrow I will be live almost the whole day because at 11 a.m. we have Super Pound Thursday. At 11 a.m. we will have interest rates of the GBP. Then 45 minutes later, interest rates for the euro at 11:45. At 12:30, we have ECB press conference for the euro, Mario Draghi, and also we have CPI and core CPI for the United States dollar. So it's really going to be a crazy day tomorrow, and I'm looking forward for tomorrow. That's why you might see me a bit calm these days, not opening large positions. Tomorrow, guys, is the day that we will make money. If I don't see important movements, what's the point of opening 10 and 20 lots? But tomorrow, I'm very confident that we will do great as well. So my current positions, currently I'm down $1,200 is the spread basically of the position. No movements at all. However, let's see if we will manage to close some profits for you guys today. So we are approaching in 20 minutes the US session. I see some people in the trading room, guys. If you would like to ask us any questions don't hesitate to write to us through our chat room. Just a reminder of our social media presence. We have our Twitter account at Trademy, at hashtag TradeMyA, VA with capital, the Trademy, the T with capital, one word. Is very important to follow us on Twitter, okay, because we are posting our highlights and our updates on our current positions there. So it's very important that you follow us on Twitter. Also, we have our YouTube channel where we post on a daily basis our daily highlights and also our full sessions. So this gives you the opportunity, if you haven't understand anything that we said, if you haven't understand something that we said, and if you would like to download the videos and watch them over and over again, you can do it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trademy Trading Academy. Of course, we have our Facebook page, so you can drop us a like at trademy.trading.education. And of course, you can visit our website, check our wonderful training programs. How many of you guys are already in a training program? Just type yes in the chat room. How many of you have bought any of our training programs? Those of you who have bought any one of our training programs, don't forget. Okay, Francis, on which program are you, Francis, since we are now meeting each other? On which training program have you enrolled in? Is it the beginners program? Is it the expert trader course? Is it the start trader course? Which program is it? Anybody else who have enrolled in our training programs? What about Mr. Kastrischer? Okay, why am I asking this? The reason I'm asking you this is because professional. All right. So those of you who enroll on any of our training programs, Trademy offers the unique opportunity of getting a funded account, a fully sponsored funded account by Trademy. The amount of the funded account can exceed $150,000, always depending on the training program you get. So why I'm telling you this is because here we don't want people just to learn things. What's the point of learning something if you cannot apply it and make money out of it, right? I mean, it's very important. We have great training programs. We have excellent support team and educational managers, account managers, and most important, guys, you have us, me and Elif, your mentors. We are here for you. And one-to-one sessions are highly recommended to everyone who wants to become a professional trader. Why do we have one-to-one sessions? We are not telling everything we do publicly, guys. If we do that, what's the point of having one-to-one sessions? So if you would like to improve your trading strategies, if you would like to design your money management systems, if you would like us to share our knowledge and how we trade, to show you exactly how we trade, one-to-one sessions with me or with Elif are the best thing and the value for money that you will really get from us. So don't forget also that in case you would like to upgrade your training programs, you need to contact your account managers and ask what the procedures are to do this. Okay, so this is what I would like to inform you about, guys. And currently my positions are still running. Nothing has closed for the moment and due to lack of volatility, but we see that eventually dollar yen and you see now it's going up again. Okay, euro yen is going up again. So I'm patiently waiting for the trades to develop. It seems that the forex market has entered for the past 7-8 days into a narrow trading range. But definitely this is expected to change tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, I repeat, is a very crucial day. You definitely need to join our trading room today to enjoy volatility and position management and see how money are made in news announcements. Remember that we start at 11 Cyprus time, 8 o'clock a.m. UTC time. Okay, you can hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Okay. So We start at 8 a.m. UTC time, and most probably we will stay with you the whole day because we have important news announcements coming out every hour after 11 a.m. UTC time. So tomorrow will be a great day, guys, and a lot of action will occur. So that's why we would like to see it live. We would like to see you live, and we would like to see you how we handle this type of situations. So, is there anything you would like to ask me, guys, regarding your training programs, regarding the funded accounts, regarding technical analysis, regarding any positions you have taken in the Forex market? I don't want the trading room to be a monologue. I have said that a lot of times. The purpose of the trading room is not for us to just push the buttons and you follow. That's absolutely not the purpose of the live trading room. I would like to see you asking me questions, why you did that, why you didn't buy, why you didn't sell, or if I say long, you can tell me, no, I enter short with this take profit and this stop loss, or you can request an analysis of a pair, how I see it. That's the purpose of the live trading room, guys. We are all a family here and we are here to learn, okay? We are also learning from you. Don't think that we know everything. Not at all. Every day we learn things. That's the good, one of the major advantages of this job that we are currently doing here as your mentors. So that's all I have for the moment. Let's go around and see our positions once more. Remember that I'm long on Aussie dollar with a take profit at 70.51. Currently, we are making a few hundreds of dollars. We are short euro yen, which is actually our best performing position. We are short euro dollar, currently losing $32, if you can call it a loss. We are net short pound dollar. We are net short pound dollar, guys. I'm long Kiwi, currently making a bit more than $200, peanuts. We are net long dollar CAD. We are long dollar CHF. And we are net short dollar yen. And these are the pending orders, which if they are triggered, I will automatically let you know if I have reversed any position. Can you hear me, guys? Is everything okay? Can you hear me? Yes? Okay. It seems that the sound comes and goes all the time. All right. Just 15 minutes before the US Open. Welcome, Salma, again. I hope you have contacted your account manager and the account manager has explained to you how we operate MT4. So I hope you have done that. If not, please contact your account manager and he will be more than glad to assist you on that. So guys, that's all I have for the moment. Let's go to Elif. Are you ready for a small update? Okay, let's go to Elif.
Welcome to the afternoon session, and it was really a crazy morning. Guys, it was so crazy. It was crazy. What shall I say? I think all of you who followed us, you know what I'm talking about. It was a crazy, crazy afternoon. So what happened? Italy 40 really made us a difficult time. We were hacked on Italy 40. Then we had this announcement that the European Parliament, European Commission, no, European Union. However, one European institution announced that they activate Article 7, which is article which they will discuss about sanctions against Hungary regarding their human rights and press freedom policies they follow currently under the very right-wing populist party of Orban, and this pushed a bit the markets down, and especially Italy 40 made us a very sudden move while we were making money. It dropped this huge drop down. However, we closed the position with a stop loss with $1,900 loss. I immediately reacted and opened 2 positions on Italy 40, and I made around $9,000 on it. Then our gold position from the morning did take profit. We got another $2,500 out of it. And our current situation is that we have $13,894 profit so far. However, I see that gold currently looks quite interesting. And let's see if we should enter a gold trade right now. Let's have a look together on it. You see this nice range behavior. This is the top. We go to the bottom. We had this top movement. Now we see on our indicator, we are looking on a 15-minute chart, that it might look like it will still go up. But on our 5-minute chart, we get a signal that it will drop. So, as you remember, I told you this morning, in this case, when I have 2 contradictory information, while the 5-minute chart is telling me to go short, and the 15-minute chart is telling me to go long, and we are in the bubble of the Bollinger Band, then I don't trade. Simple as that. When I get the confirmation from one of the indicators, from my indicators in 2 consecutive time frames, then I would go long. But right now, no. No. I don't trade now gold. It might change in the next 5 minutes. It's okay. But now I don't see an entry point. So let's go for the next one, guys. When I see here across above 80, and I see also here a confirmation of the downtrend, then I will enter the trade. But right now, I don't enter any trade. Italy 40 is still, you see, we had this drop and now it's going up, down. No clear signal, so we ignore Italy 40 for now as well. Although on Italy 40 today, if you could exit and entry the market on a correct time frame, you would have made a lot of money on Italy 40. The volatility was really big today. Oh, on that side, I see some possibilities. Guys, on that, I feel like I have to go short. I will short now DAX. I'm shorting DAX. As you remember, we had already DAX position today. We made $1,000 out of it. Now I'm shorting it again. And let me see where we put our take profit on this trade. I will put my take profit here on this trade at 11,973. No, I will not put it on 73. I will put it on 79. There we go. This is the level I want to reach, and it's a profit of $1,200. During US opening, normally the European indices, they tend to drop. a bit because the money flows towards New York Stock Exchange. Wall Street is taking the direction of Wall Street. However, now today, as you remember, we have the Apple release. It will be late in the afternoon. I will be not here for trading at that time, but from home I will be trading for sure. And as I told you how my trading strategy will be during the opening, I will check on I will check the share price of Apple, and according to the share price of Apple, I will enter positions for the indices, because Apple is one of those companies which are reflected in S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. One asset, one share can be in all of these three indices. That's totally okay, that's totally fine. So I will check the price reaction during the release, and due to the price changes during the release, I will trade the market, I will trade the index, and I might trade USA 100, 500, and 300 together. So let's see what the pre-opening estimations are saying about our indices. Okay, they expect today again Wall Street to open flat because of trade worries. Let's see the general position of our trades. We will take USA 100, gold, I will leave in the center so I can see the gold trades as well. And I will put USA 30. There we go. So also, what happened to your Italy 40 positions? I remember you entered with me Italy 40. How was it? I think also, I know Mary's take profit got hit before we had this sudden drop, but I think with you, I don't know if your take profit managed to get triggered. I was a bit worried, to be honest, about your position, Francis. I hope you managed to close the position on time before it hits take a stop loss. However, so let's see, USA 100. USA 100 is suffering a downtrend. The whole day long, we had a downtrend on USA 100. Yep, look at this picture. Downtrend. Then let's see on USA 30. Yeah, USA 30 is not very clear what to do today. We had a very little volatile, little movements. You can see we are looking at the. Yeah, Francis, that's correct. Better next time. Our take profit was so close to get triggered, and it dropped. And the drop was very sudden. It was very sudden. So However, we will get more from other trades. So, USA 30, the movement today, as you can see, is very, very limited until now. I'm expecting it's all the Apple tension which is coming out. Now we have another 30 seconds to react. Guys, now you look at gold. I told you before that gold's position was not clear. Now it's dropping. I'm selling gold, guys. I just sold gold. And I will put directly stop loss, take profit on gold, because now during the market movement, it might move quite strongly. Now my take profit is 1,194. There we go. We just, oh, whew, I'm selling USA 100, guys. Just sold USA 100. I'm selling also USA 30. And today we put immediately take profits. This is the take profit of so let's put take profits here. We will put our take profits. I put too high. Take profit was too high here. I put a too high take profit on USA 100. It's too high. Come on. Let's see. Yep, it's good. It's good. It's good. You'll get there. Let's get it. Currently, we are making $100 on USA 100, but I want some money in. I don't want this to go for very long. On USA 30, why it was on the phone? On USA 30, I don't like the development. I don't like the development. On USA 30, I will put a take profit also here at 25,975. This is my take profit for this position. So my gold position is very close to hit take profit. I'm making right now $800 on my gold position. On my gold position, there we go. Let's put the gold trade a bit lower to get a bit more. Come on, I put my profit for gold to $1,800. And currently we are making $900 on it. Okay, I will go long on USA 30 and close my position, my sell position. I just close it with a loss. Sometimes we have to face the losses. I have a loss of $1,800 on USA 30. I just opened a long position on USA 30. USA 100 is still going okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now USA 30 is giving us some profits. Let's put it just past the 26,000. Just past the 26,000 is giving us $300. Let's go to, okay, 26,000. Let's leave it a bit, okay, 26,015. This is my take profit. This is my take profit on this trade, and I'm aiming here $800 profit. Come on. Okay. There we go. USA 100 is giving us some nice profits. Yep. $600 on gold. On USA 100, we are making also $400. And there we go. We hit our take profit on USA 100 with $400, with $580 profit. Oh no, USA 30 is giving us a tough time. USA 30 is giving us a tough time, playing with our nerves. However, let me see, on USA 100, I might go again short. Let's recover. Let's wait for the recover. And once it's in the recover, I might enter again here a short position. Let me see on the line. Okay, I'm shorting again USA 100. And I will put now my take profit on this trade at $7,471. Okay, we are aiming just $300 out of it. Our gold trade got stuck on this level. Guys, on USA 100, I'm going again short. I'm increasing my exposure. I just increased my exposure. Okay, now I have two positions open on USA 100 and one position open on gold and one position open at USA 30. With USA 30, I will close the buy position with the minimum profit. Let me put my take profit quite low. Here we go. I reduced my take profit to $200. Guys, $280. On gold, we are making money, but it got stuck over there, guys. We have also a position open on DAX. Let me see also DAX. DAX, we are short. No reaction yet. Gold, no gold, come on gold, don't do that. Okay, if gold goes up to 1,195, I will sell again. So guys, I will put now a sell order. I'm putting a sell order. I want to sell gold when the price goes to 1,195.50. Oh no, let's put it a bit higher. If the price goes there, I will sell again on gold. Now on USA 100, we are making a bit of money. On USA 30, we are making a bit of money. Our current account status is at 30,397. As you know, we closed USA 30 position with 1,000 euros of a loss. So USA 100 now, come on. Come on, now it's time to hit. Let's put also here a take profit on USA 100. I will put here a take profit at 7,475. So come on. My sell limit on gold, I will modify. I will. I will put my take profit on this position to be at 1,194. Point 65. 65. Okay. If this position gets triggered and we hit take profit, I'm aiming a profit of $5,000, guys. So I don't like this movement today. On USA 100, I wanted my position closed. I had 2 positions open and I want them to close fast and soon. However, we will get there, we will get there. We have positions open on USA 100, on USA 30, and on gold, and on DAX. The only one which is giving us a nice smile currently is USA 30. But here I just expect a move up. And we hit our target. So our sell order on gold just got triggered, guys. We just sold again gold. Our USA 30 position got hit take profit, and we are making now. We increased our profits to 13,680. I'm expecting in a short while gold to reverse. I see that Kyriakos is trading, is putting some trades. Let me pass to Kyriakos to inform you about his trades. And the USA 100 finally decided to drop. Kyriakos, please feel free.
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So basically, we have reversed again to short positions, as you can see. On dollar CAD, I just shorted again 5.96 lots on dollar CAD, targeting 1.30098 is my target price on dollar CAD. For the moment, guys, I have unrealized losses a bit more than $1,000. As you can see, you see 3-digit numbers on all my trades. What does this mean? No significant movement in the Forex market. No significant movement on the Forex market, and that's why our numbers are very low today. Those of you who have been trading with us the past 1-2 months, you know that usually this is a 5-figure number. Today is a 4-digit number. It's really boring today, guys. But it's part of this profession. I mean, don't expect all days the markets to move like exactly. Daniel, very flat today. You have seen us making 40, 50. My record is $55,000 profits, and today I just have that ridiculous number today. But they simply don't move, guys. Okay, so the last update I have, exactly that. It's one of these days that you just lighten up a couple of cigarettes and you wait for the time to pass, since we don't have important announcements. Daniel, how was your day today, Daniel? Did you have a nice day today? Apart from trading, at work, was everything okay? I hope it was. Same here, very little money today, exactly. But I'm getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, don't miss tomorrow episode. Great day tomorrow for me. I'm waiting for this day the past few days, actually. Tomorrow we will have a lot of trading action. Interest rates, GBP, 45 minutes later, European interest rates, ECB conference, United States dollar CPI. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy, and we will enjoy it, and we will definitely make money tomorrow, guys. So for the moment, the last update I have, I just shorted dollar CAD. I think I will wait 5 more minutes. And if nothing moves substantially, I will manually close all the trades and accept, I don't know, $1,000, $2,000 losses. I don't even care about these losses. It's so little compared to our trading account that it doesn't even worth to mention them. Today is the first day here at Trademy that I haven't managed to close a single position, not even with a loss. I mean, I will be really glad if I see at least a stop loss be hit, but today is so stable, it's so flat. I know, Daniel, that this is nothing. You have seen me trading a couple of months now, and thank you for being here with us. It's very much appreciated, Daniel. Guys, they simply don't move. I mean, I'm not going to move the markets. Okay, so I'm simply waiting. I will wait for 5 more minutes, and whatever number it says there, I will just close my positions, go home, have a nice rest, have some beers, enjoy the day, because tomorrow, guys, make sure you sleep well today, because tomorrow, I'm telling you, you will see a completely different scene, a completely different situation. Great volatility is expected for tomorrow, and we will stay live most probably for more than 3-4 hours, because the news will be coming out every half an hour, and I would definitely like to be with you and my colleague Elif, of course, to trade the volatility of the markets. So our positions so far, you can see them. Long Aussie dollar since the morning from $100 plus to $300 plus. Euro yen is stuck there, $400. Okay, guys, what I will do, I will close my positions right now and realize a loss of $1,700. So it's the end of the session. We're approaching the end. So I'm realizing the losses. No, not a big deal. So why stay there? So I'm just closing everything down, guys. So I just closed euro dollar, also pound dollar. I'm closing now my positions, and I will realize a loss of $1,700 together with the profits, together with everything. So I'm slowly liquidating my positions. And let's see how the day will react tomorrow. Exactly. That's what I mentioned. That's what I have mentioned before. Daniel, one day we made over 50K, and the other day we cannot even make a single profitable trade. Not because we don't want it, because the markets did not allow that. So I have just realized $1,700 of losses. It's peanuts, guys. No worries. So we will see you. I will see you again tomorrow, and see how we will do tomorrow. I'm really looking forward for tomorrow. So for me, today, if we can call it a loss, we had a loss of $1,700. So that's all for me for the day. Elif, let's go for the closure of our trading session with Elif. Bye from me, guys. Take care.
Hey guys, here I am again. So here the situation looks a bit better, to be honest. Gold moved in our direction, and also, okay, now it's again against us. Okay, gold is again against us. You see this stupid movements. However, we closed our USA 30 position with a profit, and now it's dropping. USA 100 is dropping very nicely. We are making over here $400, and on the second trade also $60. So we are quite good. Oh, we are going to hit our first take profit on our first trade. Let me see. There we go. How much is our take profit over here? $680. Let's see. We'll get hit very soon. There we go. Come on. I will close it manually, which now it's below $600. Let's see. With $600, I want to close this position. Gold is playing games with me today. There we go. We hit our take profit on USA 100, and we hit also our second take profit on USA 100, and we increased our profits for today to 40,000. $672. Not bad for now. Let me see. We faced also 2 losses today. Okay, we are left with a gold trade, guys. Gold and DAX. We have 2 positions open. Gold and DAX. Let me see how they develop. DAX just started again to be in profit. Just right now. Yeah, come on. Maybe we can get a bit of profit from DAX. Close also DAX. And well, gold, we will leave gold over there until it gives us a nice movement. Right now we have 2 positions open on gold, and gold market is going up and down and not hitting any of my take profits. However, I'm waiting today, as you guys know, for the Apple announcement. It will be later on the afternoon. I closed all the positions for US indices, and I believe during the announcement I will have some possibilities to trade on them. Okay, guys, let this to run. So we have 2 positions open on gold and 1 position on DAX. Let's put the DAX take profit a bit higher, just to, you know, with the smallest move, you see it has quite strong movements. DAX today, it will get to the point and hit our take profit. Guys, it was a tough day because the markets, they were moving quite crazily. No clear pattern. Very, very nervous markets today. We managed, although the markets were so nervous, we managed to make a certain amount of money. I think during this kind of markets like it was today, the only trading strategy which works out is to scalp. We made the mistake of leaving positions too long open. The only strategy which is good working on these market conditions is scalping, guys, because with the, but it depends a lot on the risk you are taking with the scalping position, right? You see, for example, here on DAX 5 minutes chart, and you see how fast a movement is and how fast it goes down. You just need to scalp on it. Maybe I will do it later on with small positions. Would it be interesting for you guys to scalp a bit? Yeah, I will do it maybe later on. I will scalp a bit. However, guys, so for today, our result so far is $14,672. I would wish to see over there 15,000. Currently, we don't have any profiting position, so I will not close anything right now. I have take profits. I will leave my take profits to get triggered. They are not very high take profits. They are quite narrow, so I believe that they will get triggered very soon. I hope you could enjoy our trading here today at Trademy.com. We will be tomorrow here at 8 o'clock UTC time, and guys, as I said, be ready for the Apple announcement. The Apple event is today in the focus. It's the focus of Wall Street today. And during the afternoon, you will see a huge volatility, and try to get money out of this volatility, guys. That's the purpose, right? So thank you for being with us. I hope you had a nice time. For us, it was a tough day. We managed to make some profits, accept some losses, and I will see you tomorrow again at 8 o'clock UTC time. And let's see. So see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for being with us. Bye-bye. Welcome, Mary. You are welcome. I love to help you guys making some profits. Bye-bye.